Ladies and gents, welcome back to The Random. It's your host, Smallwood Worldwide, and today we're here to unbox the Apple Vision Pro. Now, we also have the Zeiss optical inputs, so if you have prescription frames how I have it, guess what? You'll want to scoop a pair of these when you get the Apple Vision Pro. But you didn't come to see me, let's be honest. We came to see the Apple Vision Pro. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay, ladies and gents, we're back. Let's dive into the unboxing. Before we do the Vision Pro, we're going to start with the small fry here. We're going to start with the Vision Pro Zeiss optical lens. This is what it looks like. This is the box with your personal prescription. Let's go ahead and rip this off here and do this the right way. We got this off on a good foot. That looks good. Now let's see what we do here. Open up. Very nice. Let's see. I want to be very gentle because these are actual lenses. Let's slide the box here to the side. As you can see, it does say Precision Optics by Apple and Zeiss. Typical Apple, looks very, very clean. There you are. And let's turn this around. Got your usual books and everything. Sign up my Zeiss, of course, all of that. We don't need that. Now, I'm going to take this, open it up nice and gentle. Look at that. I like it. I like it. This looks very much like the next frontier. And look at that. There are my custom lenses here for the Apple Vision Pro. So we're going to leave them in for the moment. We're going to go ahead and unbox Apple Vision Pro. So with that in mind, let's bring the big boy over. Again, very nice box, well designed. Also a pretty good amount of size on it. We're going to start here. Let's pull this up. Let's go ahead and pull this here. We got to get this lifted up. There we are. There we are. There's one. I'm going to take this up as well. There's two. There we are. And are you ready? Drum roll. Let's go ahead and take this. This is a tough one. Very well packaged. I feel like something is not quite unboxed. Let's go ahead and turn it over and take a look. Ah, here we are. We didn't quite get this one. We finished the job now. Let's try it again. As we go ahead and lift. There we are. Look at that. Apple Vision Pro. Full display. Look at that. Gorgeous. Wow. This is a great design. And more important, let's just take a moment to take in how this looks. Fresh out the box. This is something that I wish, you know what? Let's just make sure we give Apple their flowers for presenting such a flawless design. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now, we're going to go ahead and get this out. We're going to be gentle with it. As you can see, this looks great. We're going to sit this to the side, of course. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. So let's remove this. Of course, designed by Apple in California. Did you expect anything else? You get the polishing cloth here. Let's sit that to the side. As you can see, very nice polishing cloth. I already have one of these, but this is great to have for that screen there. Sit that to the side. What else is in here? Get the light seal cushion. So with the light seal cushion, let's go ahead and take this, pull that, and let's get this out here. I think I can. There might be a little extra piece I need to kind of break off here, and there we are. Get our first look at the light seal cushion. Look at that. This is very nice. The level of attention to detail that Apple has paid here looks absolutely incredible. We're going to sit this here because I want to make sure I don't lose anything. Keep that together. Now, what's next in the box? Vision Pro. This looks like the manual. And let's take a look. You see it, front to back, nothing on the back. And there we are with that familiar face. And it kind of lets you know what you're in for here. Everything to expect, what's in the box. So this is good. This is good. We'll get to that. Now, Set that to the side. And let's go ahead and take a look here. We have the dual loop band. So we're going to pull this up. And let's take a look at that. So this is what you put on top of Apple Vision Pro to put on top of your head. You'll see that in our video that we'll shoot when we go ahead and do our first exploration. But this is great. We'll set that over there. Set this to the side. And of course, there's the battery and the charger. Now, we're going to go ahead and take this off. Look at that. So beautiful. This is so well made. I don't know if the camera is going to pick all of this up, but you'll get a chance to see some of the cameras there and sensors. And let's just take that out. And we can remove this as well. There we are. I'm going to take this in my hand. You notice I'm keeping it over the box, right? We want to make sure that we're definitely not going to drop this. Not at all. Take a look at that. Amazing. And this is very, very soft. Goes on the back of your head. Wow. And of course, inside here, this is where the Zeiss optical lenses will go. And we'll get those put on, but we don't need to see that in this video. You get a chance to see the speakers. I believe this is the space for where we'll connect the battery. This is the nozzle that you'll turn here to tighten up the back of your headset. And of course, this is very similar to the AirPods Max. So volume, depth, different things like that. I cannot wait to go through this. And this has been the initial unboxing of the Apple Vision Pro. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Did you get the Apple Vision Pro? And what I'll tell you is get subscribed to our channel because we're going to drop a lot of content regarding this. I know a lot of people are rushing to a review. That's not what we're here to do. We want to take time to explore this. And of course, the everlasting hands-on is coming. Stay tuned for that. But before we go ahead and log out, let's cover this back up. This is actually a nice little protective covering on its own. Let's take that battery out. Look at that. I know that you wanted to see the battery, so before we move forward, we're going to do that. And there it is. You see that beautiful Apple logo. You know what time it is. This is actually not that heavy. It's rather light, and this, of course, is braided. So, yep, ladies and gents, that is the unboxing. Come back for the exploration. Log number 1. Peace.